Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Sage here again today to show you another letter basket sorting activity. And I have in front of me in my lap the two letter sounds we're going to be working on today. This is our first letter sound. This is j, 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 jump, January, jog, jelly bean, jewels, j, j, j. Put your teeth together and your tongue goes to the roof or the top of your mouth and you make a quick short sound, j, j, j. This is our next letter today. This letter says sorry. Like horse, hop, happy, hill. You have an open mouth, your tongue is flat on the bottom of your mouth, and you send out little puffs of air. So we're gonna sort today, and I'm gonna put the letters up in front so you can see. Here we go, right here. I think that's a good spot. So we've got and ch, and we're gonna sort our objects in the basket here. So the first one I have is a hat. What do you hear at the beginning of hat? Does it say ch or ha? It says ha. So we're gonna put the hat over here. Next we have a jar. Jar. What sound do you hear at the beginning of jar? Or j. That's right, j, jar. Next we have a small toy horn. Horn. Do you hear h or j at the beginning? Horn. That's right. Horn goes here. This is a box that has bracelets, necklace, and earrings. Those are all called jewelry. Jewelry. Do you hear h or j at the beginning of jewelry? J. That's right. Oh, here, next we have my headphones. Headphones. Do you hear h or j at the beginning? Headphones. Next we have a jar of jelly. Jelly. J, or j. That's right, it goes here. Jelly. Next we have a hexagon. Hexagon. Does hexagon say h or j? What sound do you hear at the beginning? It says hexagon. And the last one is a pumpkin with a face, which we call what? A jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. J or h at the beginning. It says j. So today, boys and girls, we worked on like hat, hexagon, horn, and headphones. And we also worked on j, like jar, jewelry, jelly, and jack-o'-lantern. Let's see what different objects you can find around your home that start with the h or j sound. And if you get good at that, maybe after practicing for a while, you can start to find words and objects with these sounds at the end of the word. Happy hunting!